Gapan-yapon na si tita, si lolo, tas ang ano, spagag. Milo.
Oh, what a right uppercut from my order. Oh, that had something behind it. And he took Duran's head off, and he really is doing it. He's holding himself up. And how on earth?
Lo, storya na kay tita, lo.
Exchange go.
Storya na kay tita, greet na si Happy New Year.
Clearly out. Right uppercut did all the damage. And then he was hung up like the Sunday washing. And now he's in trouble.
Hello,
Real
guys.
trouble.
Happy New Year ang dati mo. Kabay nga maayo lang
Mayoga
ang
can
kalawasan
just
nila.
about finish this when he wants.
Makilayo ka sa mga kadisgrasyahan, day.
Well, he'll want to make a statement. He'll want to do it in style. That's his way.
Kabay nga way, mas yung mga masakit na mga dangat sa lawas mo. Kabay pilay nga malipayo na makada. Paupot sa kay Michael.
Delaying tactics to try and stop the momentum.
Salamat
Tag
yun
there
ka.
again, the left hook.
Nakapakisugilanon ako
Duran
sa
is
imo.
complaining of shots to the back of the head, but
Ako dayang maayo man, nakaluyan man sa mga Ginoo. Kanila'y salamat
out of
kay.
it. Frantic
Pagkabay
shot
nga
there.
ikaw
Now
dapat
Mayoga has a complaint too. It's a
maayo
little
man.
bit tasty in there.
Huwag man ikaw sa balatian. Damo kiday nga salamat.
Sakit ng galingin mo, tiil, lo.
Kung masakit kang kay na kuwan black o na irital ka sa ilo ka kinalo.
Ipa-check up pa kay Dr. Anas.
Kila nila na bulong mo man.
Okay. Saya ko ito, Michael, lo.
Ah,
Ito, Mike.
Mike, how are you? I hope you're in good health and you'll well getting along with Elena. I hope you'll be very, very happy with Elena and nothing problem between you and Elena. I hope you will enjoy your living. So thank you.
Hehe.
Swing that